Welcome back to our channel. Today is day 11, and so we are almost on the verge of finishing this series. And congratulations for doing 10 days successfully. I know it was very difficult to get on the mat every single day when you have to actually really find your own motivation, but because you did it, please clap for yourself and feel good, feel happy for the achievement that you have achieved till now. And I know we all look for short term results, but you have to understand that you need to give your every single day without expecting quick results, because yoga, fitness, this all is a lifetime process and you just have to keep on doing. And when you do it without expectations, one day you realize that you have on the way achieved even much more than what you had started for. So with that, let's begin our today's routine. Today we have a full body vinyasa flow where we'll be working on all the body parts at the same time. Not to mention, the core is always at work when we are doing yoga. Okay, so let's begin in standing posture. Come to standing, and let's go for shoulder rolls clockwise and anti-clockwise. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we shall begin with our warm-up. Let's start with Surya Namaskar. A. Come to front of the mat. Bring your palms in front of the chest in Namaste. Close your eyes. Stay here for a while. Stay grounded. Ground your feet on the floor. Imagine one straight energy moving from your feet till your head. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the energy moving from your toes to your ankle, to your calf, to your knees, to your thighs, your hip, your stomach, your chest, your arms, shoulder, neck, face, the crown of the head, and keep this energy stored in your crown of the head. We are going to need and use this energy throughout our practice today. So let's begin. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. You can also walk back since this is your first Surya Namaskar. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, Sapta, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Ashtav, exhale, fold forward. Nava, inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samastiti. We'll do that 2 more times. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your knee, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Ashtau, fold forward. Nava, inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. We'll do that last time. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatvari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sapta, bend your knees, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. Nava, inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. Now we shall start with Surya Namaskar B. Ekam, inhale, Utkatasana. Dve, exhale, Uttanasana, fold forward, grab your ankle, head to knee. Trini, inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana, look straight, lengthen the spine. Chatvari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, raise your right leg up. Sapta, bring it in between the palm. And let's go for Virabhadrasana A. Ashtau, Virabhadrasana A. Ashtau, fold forward. Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekadasha, left leg up towards the ceiling, bring it in between the palm. Dvadasha, go for Virabhadrasana A. Dvadasha, Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Chaturdasha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, bend your knee, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Shodasha, fold forward. Saptadasha, bend your knee, go for Utkat Asana. Come back to Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, Utkat Asana. Dve, exhale, Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana, look straight, lengthen the spine. Chatvari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now from Adho Mukha Svanasana, go for twisted Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bring your left palm to your right ankle. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's repeat that on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now kick your right leg up towards the ceiling. Bring it in between the palm and let's go for Virabhadrasana A on the right side. Sapta. Ashtau, fold forward and go for Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekadasha, left leg up towards the ceiling. Bring it in between the palm and go for Virabhadrasana A. Dvadasha, fold forward, Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Chaturdasha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And let's stay here for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3, Panchadasha, bend your knee, look between the palm, jump forward, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Shodasha, exhale, fold forward. Saptadasha, go for Utkat Asana, come back to Samasthiti. We'll flow through that one last time with lot of variations in between. So let's start with Utkatasana. Ekam, inhale Utkatasana. Dve, exhale Uttanasana. Trini, inhale Urdhva Uttanasana. Chatvari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now keep your right leg up towards the ceiling and go for three-legged dog. Bend your knee. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring that knee to your nose in plank position and let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep that leg in between the palm and let's go for warrior 1 on right side. Exhale, keep your palms next to your feet. Let's take a vinyasa, chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Now kick your left leg up towards the ceiling. Three-legged dog on left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring that knee to nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep that leg in between the palm. Warrior 1 on left side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's flow through a vinyasa. Come in plank, chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here jump and come in Malasana. Jump forward and come in Malasana and stay here for 5 breaths. 1. So this time instead of Namaste we will join our hands, only index finger and little finger. Okay, let's stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's take a binded Malasana. So keep your left palm on the floor in front. Right palm goes across your right thigh. Right knee and right thigh. So we did this I think day before yesterday. Keep your palm in front, little bit back, left palm in front. Right palm goes around and across your leg. Yes. And grab the wrist. Very good. Stay here. 1. Twist as much as possible towards the left side. 2, 3. Someday you have to try to grab your wrist. 4 and 5. Let's repeat the bind on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we shall go for Bakasana, also very famously known as crow pose. So let's take position. You have to go into that posture from Malasana only. So just keep your palms and try to balance on your triceps. 5 breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Excellent. Now keep the body down. Slowly come to standing. And now come to front of the mat. Open your legs 4 feet apart and let's go for warrior 2. Let's hold warrior 2. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 10 breaths here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let's go for Trikonasana on the same side. For Trikonasana, from warrior 2, keep the hands in warrior 2 position. Take your hands forward. Take your shoulders forward from warrior 2 and then go for Trikonasana. Yes, so that gives you the perfect alignment. Stay here. 1, 2, 5 breaths here. 3, 4, 5 and come up. Let's repeat warrior 2 on the other side. Left leg bent. Let's take position. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stomach tight, 9, 10. Let's take Trikonasana. Extend the arms forward and then go into the position. 1, 2, 3, look up. 4, 5. Now bend your right, slowly come up first, then bend your right knee. Back leg on toe. And let's go for high lunge on right side. Keep your palms on the hip for 5 breaths. From behind. 1, fingers facing down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your hands up, straight up, and grab your one wrist and try to go on side. 1, 2, only as much as you can balance. 3, 4 and 5. Now let's repeat high lunge on the other side. Bend the knee. And let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands up. Grab your opposite wrist this time. So whichever you did earlier, you have to grab other wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come in plank. Go for downward dog. So this is one movement, okay? Plank to downward dog we'll do 5 times. Come in plank, downward dog. 2. Come in plank, downward dog. 3. Come in plank, downward dog. 4. Come in plank, downward dog. 5. And now stay here. Now this time, instead of walking in front of the mat, you have to walk back to your feet. So slowly take your palm back towards the feet. And and let's stay here in ragdoll position. So what is a ragdoll position? You have to grab your forearms and just hang there. 1, head inside. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly open your legs wide, almost 4.5 feet apart. Feet facing towards me. Now we shall go for standing forward bend, wide-legged forward bend actually. So keep your hands on the waist and fold forward, slowly walking your palms down on the floor in line with the feet. Keep your palms in line with the feet and slowly take your head towards the floor. If you feel you're slipping from your legs, you can turn your toes in. Okay, stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not let your legs open. And 5. Slowly come all the way up. So the best trick to not let your legs split apart is to turn your toes in, so there is a good grip on the mat. Okay, so now let's do it. Toes turned in, turn your toes inside. Now interlock your palms behind the hip. Inhale up, exhale, go down in the same manner, this time just walking your hand forward. Let's stay here. 1, 2, keep bringing your wrist down towards the floor. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come all the way up. Now it's a tricky posture. Reduce the gap a little. Only little. Yes. Now keep your right palm on your left ankle. Feet is supposed to stay like that only. Just keep your left palm on right palm on left ankle from front. Grab your ankle and now keep your left palm on right ankle. And look up towards the left side. Okay, wait. So we shall try that once more. Keep your right palm on your left ankle. Left palm goes on right ankle. From inside. Yes. And now twist towards your right side. Yes. Head from inside the shoulder. Try rotating from the waist. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. So this needs a lot of hip flexibility. 4 and 5. Now let's repeat on the other side. I think you did both the sides. But let's do other side for everybody. So let's repeat on the other side. It's a tricky one, but once you understand the alignment, it will be fine. This hand will go from inside. The second hand always goes from inside, and the head goes from inside the shoulder. Let's stay here. 1. So the hand which is up needs to bend from the elbow. 2, yes. Getting there slowly. 3, bend the hand as much as possible. That hand can bend. 4. Okay, and 5. Slowly release. Now let's hold a sumo squat. Open your legs wide, toes pointing towards 60 degree, like diagonally, and let's hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now just stay in sumo squat position stay in sumo squat. Now keep your left palm on left knee and right hand goes across the ear. Just a mild stretch. Look up. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Just a second. And come to center. Now come to front of the mat. Let's start with Surya Namaskar A. Just starting, and we'll stop in downward dog, okay? Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's stay for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your right leg up towards the ceiling. Bring your right leg to your right nose, like your one nose only, but right side. And let's stay for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, take your head little forward. 4, 5, and bring that leg down for pigeon on right side. Let's hold a pigeon here for 5 breaths. You can go down if you wish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly come up and walk your palm back next to your hip. Legs in the same position. No, in pigeon only. Keep your legs in pigeon. Walk your palm back, just your palm back. Next to the hips, even more behind the hips if possible. And stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go back. Lift your body up. Go in a plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. One last time, keep your right leg up and bring it to your nose. Right leg. Right. Right leg, bring it to nose and take it back. Keep the leg down. Let's repeat on left side now. Kick your left leg up towards the ceiling. Bring it to your nose and let's hold here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Try touching your knee to your nose. 4, 5. And pigeon on left side. Let's stay in pigeon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up, palms next to your hip, seated pigeon. So this accentuates your stretch. Let's stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's flow through the vinyasa. Come in plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Left leg up towards the ceiling. Bring it to your nose. Take it back. Keep the leg down and jump and come to sitting. Let's go for Paschimottanasana. Both the legs extended forward. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, grab your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly fold your legs and sit in Baddha Konasana. Join both your feet. Grab your feet. Open your feet like a book from front. Yes, hold like this. Keep your elbows tucked in towards your stomach and just come half the way down. Don't go all the way down, okay? Let's stay for 10 breaths. Come more down. 1. Little bit more. 2. That's it. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Slowly release. Now lie down on your back. And fold your knees. Now let's go for Setu Bandh Asana. Keep your legs on toes and lift your body up. Hold. 1. You can also interlock your palms behind. 2. 3. Push from the shoulder. 4. And 5. Slowly come all the way down. Now we shall repeat Setu Bandh Asana with one leg only. So you have to extend your one leg forward, okay?
This can do.
No, straight, 60 degree pe. Okay, ready? Start. 1. Very good. 2. Push from the shoulder and your quadriceps. 3. 4. And 5. Let's repeat on the other side. Raise your other leg up. Let's stay here. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Keep the hip down. Very slowly release the body down. Let's go for a reclining twist. Fold your both the knees into the chest and turn your both the knees on one side. Keep your hands straight at shoulder level. Stay here. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Let's repeat on the other side. Stay here. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Now slowly extend your legs straight. Same side. And let's stay here. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Now of course we have to do it on the other side. So twist and make a space for yourself. This is the last asana of the class. After this you can relax in Shavasana, okay? Let's take the legs on one side. Let's stay here. 1. Try bringing your feet to your hand. 2. 3. Let's churn our stomach. 4. And 5. Slowly release the legs straight up. I would suggest you to please stay in Shavasana for 2 minutes. Compulsory for all of you. I know everybody is having a hectic schedule, free yet hectic, but you can definitely go through it. Thank you so much for joining us. It is always a pleasure shooting videos, making yoga accessible to more and more people. Please share the videos and my page with everyone whom you feel might need it at this hour specifically. If you would like some special things that needs to be covered, please keep us posted. because we are planning on bringing up a new series which will be more or less like customized according to what the people want. Thank you so much. I know I speak a lot sometimes. Namaste.